In this video, we'll show you how to replace the waste toner container. You'll see a warning message on the screen when the waste toner container needs to be replaced. Let's begin. Open the front cover. Grasp the front of the waste toner container here and gently pull it straight out of the device. Insert the used waste toner container into the supplied plastic bag and then firmly seal it. Carefully place the old waste toner container into the box. Remove the new waste toner container from the packaging. And with the container facing upwards, as shown here, push the container into the device until it clicks into place. After the waste toner container has been replaced, we recommend you clean the LED print heads to ensure the best printing quality. Grasp the tan handle you can see here and unlock it by rotating it to the left. Pinch the tabs on either side of the conveyance box and remove it. Make sure that the box remains upright to prevent any toner from spilling out. Remove the cleaning bar from inside of the front cover and with the arrow facing up, insert it into the slot under R1 here. Slide the cleaning bar in until it stops. Then slowly slide the bar back out. Repeat this for each of the remaining LED print heads under R2, R3 and R4. Before returning the cleaning bar to its storage position inside the front cover. Return the conveyance box back into the device and push it in until it clicks. Return the tan handle to the lock position by rotating it to the right and then close the front cover.